Okay, so are we ready to see pretty much all my clothes in my cupboard? Yes, this is embarrassing, but okay, so I feel like future me is gonna thank me for filming this video, but right now I am definitely not looking forward to dealing with this. But anyway, let's just get started. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing like a decluttering my closet slash cleaning tips slash closet tips. I don't know, you get the point. So starting with tip number one, and that is to clean your bed. Now if you are trying to tackle cleaning a space, cleaning your room, cleaning anything, having a clean bed kind of just starts off the vibe of having a clean room, and it also gives you like a nice clean area to work with when you are like decluttering your clothes, so you can put everything in piles and just have like an empty space to do that. So my bed is very messy right now. Okay, so let's just clean my bed. So it's not completely clean, but definitely a lot better than before. Also, for some reason I decided to not really put any effort into my hair or not wear any makeup in this video, because I thought this would be better as kind of like a chill declutter my closet with me video. So if you were wondering why I look like that, oh my goodness. So as we can see, this is my closet, and you can probably tell that it is a complete mess and it needs sorting. So okay. Ow! I just raised my foot. Okay, so tip number 2 is to clean your closet section by section. If I just completely dumped everything on the floor and tried to organize it, it's just a little bit overwhelming. This is severely embarrassing how many clothes I have, and this is just from the top of my cupboard, and as we can tell, yeah, I think I could start my own store. Step number 3 is to sort your clothes into 3 piles. Pile number 1 is keep. Pile number 2 is clothes that you want to give away, and number 3 is clothes that you maybe want to sell or do something else with. Okay, so now that I have them into my 2 piles, I'm now just going to go through them and just like fold them nicely so they don't look like that. Tip number 4 is when you are cleaning, try putting on like a podcast or play a YouTube video or just listen to music, because that kind of just gets you in the mood to start cleaning. I feel like this should have been tip number 1, but it kind of just keeps you going because cleaning can be quite boring, so yeah. I'm kind of in the mood for music right now. The song called 7 Minutes by Dean Lewis, I have absolutely been loving at the music at the moment, so yeah. Okay, so are we ready to see pretty much all my clothes in my cupboard? Yes, this is embarrassing, but... And now I need to somehow fit all of that into this box right here. And also this is the progress of packing my cupboard.